Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. So you might have seen some amazing live wallpapers on Pinterest, but you can't download them on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you some free apps from which you can download live wallpapers, and also I will show you how to create your videos into live wallpapers. And the best part is that you don't need any computer, but just by using an app, within few seconds you can create your own live wallpapers. So before we start, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now let's start with the apps from which you can download live wallpapers in your iPhone for free. So the name of the app itself is Live Wallpapers for me, and when you open it, it will show you subscription offer. So just tap on cross on the left corner and the live wallpapers will be there. So just press and hold, you can see them animate and they are in 4K. So when you tap on this up and down side arrow, you will get the settings and the categories of the wallpapers. Choose any one you want, and if you want to download, just tap on save. As this app is free, but the downside of this app is there ads in between, so you have to bear them. Otherwise, just go into free section over here, and from here you can download easily by tapping on save. Now it's downloaded in your iPhone camera roll. So let's go to the photos, and here you can see it. So just tap on share button and here scroll down a little and then tap on use as wallpaper and just set it for the lock screen. Now when you press and hold it, you can see how amazing it looks. Now next app is also called Live Wallpaper. It's simple, and also they have very less or no ads. And at the top you will get live wallpapers section, and here you will get all these live wallpapers for free. So check them out. Also they have in different categories like scenery, animals, sports and others. Just press and hold, you can see how beautiful it looks. So just tap on save and it will be saved in your Photos app. Now let's create live wallpapers from videos or gifs. As you can see here, I have this really cool anime fight live wallpaper. But I haven't downloaded this from any app, but instead I have created it from a video. So like this, you can also create your live wallpapers from any video. So there are many apps from which you can create it. So let me show you by using an app called Into Live. It's completely free, and app's link will be mentioned in the description. So let's open it. As it's free, you will be seeing ads in between. So from here, select a video and you can edit the video, add filter, mute, audio, rotate, etc. So tap into canvas and from here select the resolution of the video. So it looks perfect on the lock screen. Now everything is ready. As you can see here, it just select 5 seconds video. So to make longer live wallpapers, you need to buy subscription. And once it's ready, just tap on make and here tap on save live photo, and then your live wallpaper will be saved in your camera roll. As I said, it makes only 5-second live photo for free. But we have another app that make live photo up to 15 seconds. It's called Video to Live. As you can see here, I have this 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐸 live photo. I have created this Video to Live app. Its all functions are same. So from here, choose the video, and then if you want, you can trim it. Then tap on next. If you want, you can edit from here. Now let's tap on download arrow here at the bottom, and it will take few seconds, and now tap on save. You have successfully created your live photo and it's saved in Photos app. Now all you need to do is just go to the Photos app and you can see here your live wallpaper. So just tap on share and scroll down over here and use as a wallpaper. You can press and hold over here and see here your live photo preview. Tap on set as lock screen and it's done. So this is how you can create your own live wallpaper and set as a lock screen on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. All apps link will be mentioned in the description, and if you guys face any problem, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.